hard cook an egg. You will need a medium saucepan, water, and large eggs. Step 1. Arrange eggs in bottom of a medium saucepan. Step 2. Add enough cold water to cover eggs by about 1 inch. Step 3. Set the pan over medium-high heat and bring to a simmer. Step 4. Once the water begins simmering, start timing your eggs. Adjust the heat as needed to maintain a simmer and not bring the water to a boil. Step 5. Cook the eggs for exactly 8 minutes. Step 6. Remove the pan from heat and carefully pour out the majority of the water. Step 7. Set the pan in the sink and run cold water over eggs until they are just barely warm. Step 8. Peel the eggs under cool running water. This is how you hard cook eggs.